Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about tier tray decorating for Valentine's Day. I am using this brand new tier tray that I had actually DIY'd over on my DIY channel. I will have it linked down in the description box and at the end for you to check out if you want to see and maybe give it a try and make one yourself. I will be using mostly the DIYs that I have created over on my DIY channel on here, and I have made this tray really tall so that way I can fit larger pieces in it. So I start off with obviously the largest pieces just to try and see how I want it spaced out, how I want it placed, what I want to use, and then we go from there, play around with what looks good. I do love to add greenery whenever it's possible, and as well as some flowers, but without making it too much in your face, screaming Valentine's Day. I wanted it to be more of a softer look. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, my name is Sonja and this is my home channel where you will find cleaning and decorating inspiration as well as tons of organizing videos. So if this is something that you enjoy watching, I would love it if you considered becoming part of my YouTube family and pressing that notification bell so you don't miss out any of my uploads. And if you do not know, I have two other channels, a DIY and a cooking channel, and you can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and I have a blog. All the links are in the description box if you want to check any of them out. So at this point I wasn't loving the way everything was looking, so I ended up taking some of it off and rearranging and adding some other things to it. So after I added the lavender, I remembered I had these crystal candle holders and a little dish. They were from over in my china cabinet. They're actually real crystal. And I thought, well, they would look perfect for this Valentine's decor that I'm trying to create here. So I ended up adding both of them, one in the middle shelf and then one onto the So here it is. Here's that little dish with a lid that says love on it, as well as my little snow baby with a little heart on the envelope. I love the way the bottom looks. I think because you can see it from each side, I wanted it to look good from any side you looked at it, and I absolutely love it. I did the same approach for the middle shelf as well. As you can see from every side it looks good. It's decorated on all the sides.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own.
At the top, I have added a little heart that came off of a piece of wall art that I got from Dollarama, and some greenery. The top tray is quite small, which is the way I wanted it to be. It just takes a little bit of finagling to figure out what works on such a small tray. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to press the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And if you think anybody would like this video, make sure you share it with a friend or two, and give it a big thumbs up. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.